Friends, welcome to my channel Ankita and Kunjwal. My name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today I am going to show you two easy things to make with A4 size paper. Many of you have made the boat in rainy season, but today I am going to show you in a different way, and that is also interesting. So let's start making boat. First of all, you have to take A4 size paper, and now you have to fold it like this from the middle. Press it very well, and then you will get a symmetrical line. Now you have to open it again and fold it in the middle. Now you will get plus sign in the middle, and now also you can see a standing line. Now you have to do like this. You need to touch the both side in the middle side. And then you will get something like this. Now you need to take the bottom side and fold it upwards. Press it very well. Now you have to flip it and do it again. Now you need to do like this at the both sides. Now you have to open the bottom and you will get a diamond shape. Now you have to press it well. Now you have to take the bottom side and fold it upwards. And you have to flip it and do it again. Now you have to open the bottom and you will get a diamond shape. Now you have to open it Now we have to open it. Ta-da! The boat is ready. And now it's ready to float in the water. And friends, you can try it at home of the rough pages also. Now second thing is paper bomb. My daddy used to play when he was like me. Now we also require A4 size paper. And the first step is, and also it is very easy. And first of all, the first step is, we have to make a line in the middle. Press it well. Now we have to open it again. Now fold it when the line is there. Now you have to fold it again. Press it well. We have to fold it many times. Now we have to fold it Now you have to flip it and fold it like this. Now you will get something like this. Now you have to take the thick part and slowly comb it down. Now you don't have to hold it over here, you have to hold it over here. Now I am going to pop it. And to reload it, you have to open it up and fold it back again one time. And follow the steps again. So friends, try these two paper things at home and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and link is in the description box. And that's for it today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.